Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore one of the most exciting features in modern JavaScript, ES modules. So, what exactly are ES modules? Well, they are a way to structure our code using import and export statements. So why should we use ES modules? Well, they offer several benefits over traditional JavaScript files. For one, they make our code more modular and reusable. Now that we've covered the benefits of ES modules, let's dive into some key concepts. We'll explore import and export statements in detail. Let's start with import statements. These are used to import modules and their exports from other files. Now let's look at export statements. These are used to export values, functions, or even entire objects from a module. In this example, we'll see how to use import and export statements together in a single file. Let's put our knowledge to the test with a practical example. We'll create an application that uses ES modules to manage different features. Now that we've covered the basics of ES modules, let's address some common mistakes and misconceptions. In this video, we've covered the basics of ES modules, including import and export statements. Let's recap our key takeaways. Now that you've completed this tutorial, what's next? Here are some further learning suggestions. That's it for today. I hope you now have a solid understanding of ES modules and how to use import and export statements in your code.